How to fix TikTok sound remove the sound is not available on TikTok issue. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. If you are encountering the this sound is not available error on TikTok, it typically means that the sound you are trying to use has been removed or is no longer available for use. This can happen for a variety of reasons, including copyright issues or the sound being deleted by the user who uploaded it. So, in order to fix that, the first method you can do is simply you can use another sound. You can easily use the sound by browsing TikTok's music library for a similar or training sound to use in your video. You can tap the Discover tab on TikTok and use the search bar to find popular sounds or music to fix this kind of issues. The next method is simply you can check your TikTok app for updates because sometimes app updates fix bugs related to sound and other features. Ensure your TikTok app is up to date. You can simply go to App Store on your iOS or Google Play Store on your Android device. And with the help of the search icon and the search bar, you need to search for TikTok and update if necessary. Clearing your app cache can help resolve bugs. So long press on TikTok, tap I button and then select storage uses, tap on clear cache, and with that, you can easily fix your issues. If you believe the sound was removed incorrectly or want more information, you can even contact TikTok support through the application as well. So, by following this all the step, you can easily fix TikTok sound removed. This sound is not available on TikTok. I hope this guide worked, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.